In front of me is POCO X6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Now tap on voice typing in keyboard settings. And use gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Finally, go back to your keyboard and click on now visible microphone. After seeing Speak Now command at the top, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!